Hi, I am Mark Kenneth E. Santos. I'm an information technology major in National University, and I'm looking for internship with your company. My objective is to apply my abilities in a progressive company that will develop and use my education, skills, and experience, where I can contribute the best I can and will enable me to grow not only professionally but individually as well. I am driven, I have an amazing work ethic, and I have an outgoing and friendly personality that can prove invaluable to your company. I have very strong interpersonal skills. I am proficient with Microsoft Office application, basic skills and knowledge in Java, C++, and VB.NET programming languages. Along with my other skills, my training taught me to work as a team. My ability to work well and interact with other people combined with my education and desire to grow professionally will make me a valuable asset to your organization. Thank you for watching my profile video. I'm confident my skills and hands-on experience.